Hi guys, I have the kiddos with me today. We are going to make some Valentine's Day themed cupcakes. And I have this recipe that my mom gave me. It's for strawberry cupcakes with strawberry frosting. First thing that we need is, let's see, we need to preheat the oven to 350. Can you do that, Jensen? And we need to line a 12-cup muffin tin with cupcake liners.
I think you do it like this.
Okay, so let's set this aside. And we need to place strawberries in a small food processor, process until pureed. Okay, so I have some frozen strawberries, but they don't seem to be fully thawed. They're getting close, but I think it'll be okay in my Ninja blender.
Ninja blender.
In a medium bowl, whisk together flour, baking powder, and salt, set aside. In a small bowl, mix together milk, vanilla, strawberry puree, set aside. Hi! Little nut. 1.5 cups all-purpose flour. That needs to go in.
Jensen, you do that one. I'll do this one.
That needs to go in. Alright, and then 1 teaspoon baking powder.
My turn. And then it's my turn.
1/4 teaspoon salt. Okay, can you stir that please? Gently, don't fling it everywhere. 1/4 cup whole milk, room temperature. Pour that in, Jensen, go ahead. Okay, room temperature milk. 1 teaspoon vanilla.
It smells very good.
Doesn't it? Vanilla smells so yummy. For the strawberry puree, we should have about 1/3 cup of puree. So I'm going to put it in here.
Oh, I was going to do that. No, you're going to put it in here, right? It looks like ketchup. No, it looks
like... It kind of look like ketchup.
No, it looks
kind of
like
pink for ketchup. Okay. Go ahead and pour it in the bowl.
Jensen,
we're going to save this for the frosting. Can you gently stir this together like this?
1 second, it has no flavor.
Alright, so in the mixer, we need the butter.
Butter?
Okay, so go ahead and unwrap that and put it in, Jensen. 1 cup of sugar. Go ahead and turn it on.
Is this one?
That's 1. Medium high. Gradually add sugar. So while that's mixing, go ahead and add the sugar. You're going to gradually add the sugar. Okay, who wants to crack the egg? Pull it apart. Don't smush it. There you go, you got it. And now I'm gonna separate the eggs for you guys because we just need the egg whites, not the egg yolks. So go ahead and put the egg whites in. Okay, so like half of it. Go ahead and add the milk mixture. And then we're gonna add the rest of this. Jensen, you wanna do the flour again?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna scoop this into the muffin tins.
It's a big one. There you go. That's good.
Okay, we're gonna put this in the oven for 22 to 25 minutes. Okay, our cupcakes have cooled and we are ready to make the frosting. So, we already have our strawberry puree. Are you excited?
Victory dance.
Okay, we need to put the butter. Can you unwrap these butters? Here, why don't you each unwrap a butter and throw it in. I'm just going to add a pinch of salt. Cream the butter until it's light and fluffy, and then we will add the powdered sugar. All right, you ready? All right.
How do we all help Mom? Jensen, help us.
Alright, so 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, 3 tablespoons of strawberry puree.
Strawberry puree!
We don't want to mix it too much or it introduces too much air into the frosting. We want it the consistency of ice cream.
Ice cream!
Dense, but smooth and delicious. I'm going to fill the piping bag with this now pink frosting.
Yeah, yummy frosting, I tell you.
I'm going to hold the top. Okay, give it a squeeze. It's going to be a little bit hard because it's pretty firm. Okay?
That's my turn.
Okay, June, give it a squeeze. Okay, and we're going to go around in a circle. middle and boop. Okay. Okay, now that we have our cupcakes frosted, I have this box of Valentine's Day candy that we are going to use to decorate our cupcakes. So we have some conversation hearts. I have the sweet sour conversation hearts.
Yummy!
The original flavors.
Yummy!
The giant ones in original flavor. Okay, the tropical flavored candy hearts. I never even realized that they had different flavored candy hearts like that.
Oh, they look so good.
Cinnamon Lips gummies. And then we have Very Berry conversation hearts.
That looks really good.
Cinnamon Imperial hearts. These are like the hot cinnamon.
And
oh, those are like the little boxes of conversation hearts that you can give.
this is the tiny boxes of those.
Yeah,
the conversation hearts.
Right, and then on the back it says to and from, so you can give those as gifts.
Yes.
And then these ones are Purple Rain tiny jelly beans. Okay, so we have lots of stuff to choose from for decorating our cupcakes. Purple Rain ones are all like blue and purple. Gummies are cute. I like the cherry gummies. Are you just gonna eat all the candy? Okay, here's some Very Berry ones. These would probably be good because they're mostly pinks and purples and a blue. Oh yeah, I like the big ones. You can just be like, boop, right there. Isn't that cute?
Mommy, look what I'm doing.
Very cute.
This one is for my dad.
Okay, well this was fun. I will leave the recipe as well as all of the links and stuff that you might need for all of this wonderful Valentine's Day candy, because nothing says Valentine's Day like some awesome conversation hearts, am I right? All right, well thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys for joining and helping me. You were a great help. All right, thanks guys. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.